Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the flame inside of text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type in flame, and I am also going to change the font as well. And then I am just going to go to effects, go to comic, and I'm just going to add in as many of these flame effects on top of this. Just select which one you think is the text the best. Right click on your text, copy, and right click paste, and then select these four, then right click create compound clip. And as you can see, the flame is behind, it's inside the text, but I'm just going to add in this effect to it. I think you can also do it to the text, but I don't want it to be on the shadow as well. That's why I have the shadow here instead of the one that I merged with. And that's basically it. You can again add in more for the background, maybe put it behind the behind the text, and add in another colored background. It's totally up to you, but that's basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!